We're about to make a super fresh and quick black bean and corn salsa. The ingredients are simple and fresh, and you're also gonna find the measurements right below this video. Let's make it together. So I'm just gonna mix all my ingredients in one big bowl. First, I'm going to add my black beans and my corn. These have been rinsed and drained from the can. To these, I'm gonna add some freshly chopped Roma tomatoes. I like using Roma tomatoes because they have a lot of meat to them. They're also juicy, but if you don't have these, you could also use cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. To the bowl, I'm gonna add some finely chopped red onion and some chopped garlic. What would salsa be without fresh cilantro? So let's chop up some cilantro and put it in our bowl. I'm also going to add an avocado to the bowl, which I'm going to halve, then I'm going to score and dice and put it in my bowl. I'm going to salt this and squeeze some lime. I'm going to generously mix it all together to make sure that all my ingredients, they're all incorporated. This is the perfect recipe to enjoy with chips or of course in these tacos right here. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and grab the ingredient measurement right below this video. See you guys next time.